Welcome to Marmaris, a beautiful coastal town located in southwestern Turkey. If you're an adventurer at heart and looking for an exciting way to explore the stunning scenery of Marmaris, then the Marmaris Buggy Safari is the perfect activity for you. This thrilling off-road adventure takes you through rugged terrain, pine forests, providing a unique way to discover the beauty of Marmaris. With our experienced guides, you'll be able to safely navigate the terrain while enjoying the thrill of driving a buggy. The Marmaris Buggy Safari is suitable for all ages, and no prior experience is necessary. So why not unleash your inner adventurer and book your Marmaris Buggy Safari experience today through our website www.happytoolsturkey.com. Don't miss out on the adventure of a lifetime. Looking to make the most of your trip to Marmaris? Look no further than Happy Tools Turkey. Our daily tours are designed to showcase the best that Marmaris has to offer, from breathtaking landscapes to cultural landmarks. With our expert guides, you'll explore hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path destinations that are sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. Our tour options are diverse, catering to every interest and budget. Whether you're looking for a relaxing day at the beach or an action-packed adventure, we've got you covered. And the best part? You can easily book your tour through our user-friendly website, www.happytoolsturkey.com. So don't wait, discover the best of Marmaris with Happy Tools Turkey today. If you're looking to escape the crowds and experience the natural beauty of Marmaris in a unique way, look no further than the Marmaris Buggy Safari. Our off-road adventure takes you deep into the heart of the countryside, where you'll discover untouched landscapes and hidden gems that few visitors ever get to see. With our experienced guides, you'll explore rugged terrain, splash through waters, and zoom past stunning vistas, all from the driver's seat of your own buggy. It's the perfect way to get off the beaten path and experience the true beauty of Marmaris. And with easy online booking through our website, www.happytoolsturkey.com, it's never been easier to make your Marmaris Buggy Safari dreams a reality. So what are you waiting for? Get off the beaten path with Marmaris Buggy Safari today.